Good morning. We are at the beginning of week 3 for June, and we have quite a bit of blooms. They're super beautiful. And the pollinators are here, busy at work. And unfortunately, a lot of these are at the end stages, which I've been seeing a lot of goldfinches over here eating the seeds, which is nice to have them around. But I will probably start pulling some of the older ones so the new ones can get some good sunlight. And I'll leave the seeds out for the birds. But it looks good. Nice little front section. Beautiful flowers. Here we are in the back. A few new blooms, and they've definitely gotten taller. This one is still beautiful as ever. And a little newbie, she's working on it. These are definitely, I would say, probably 4 to 7 days out from a bloom. And I love the ones that send out multiple flowers. It's going to be really beautiful. To kind of show a neat thing, this one is a little bit smaller, not getting very much sunlight where he is, but a bunny or a squirrel, somebody came through and chewed a seedling, and this is how they prevail. They sent off 2 more instead of the 1, so it's actually pretty neat that they're able to do that. It's a little guy right now, but we shall see.